Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. Friends, the puzzle which we get you today is part 2 of Math Halloween puzzle. So let's start. Before jumping to the final solution, let's try solving this puzzle together within the time frame of 30 seconds. And friends, please put your answers in the comment section. Your 30 seconds starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle. Let's begin to see the complete solution. Jumping on to our first equation. In the first equation, we have three ghosts. 1, 2, and another one is behind this ghost. And their sum is equal to 15. On solving this, we will get 3 into ghost is equal to 15. So ghost value comes out to be 15 by 3, that is equal to 5. We have solved our first equation. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation, we have one haunted pumpkin, one black cat, and one ghost. And friends, we only have one value, that is ghost is equal to 5. Putting that here and forming another equation in the form of pumpkin and cat. So the other equation comes out to be pumpkin plus cat minus 5 is equal to 4. Let's take this 5 from LHS to RHS. So it will become 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. So equation will be pumpkin plus cat is equal to 9. So pumpkin is equal to 9 minus cat. Now friends, wherever we'll see the pumpkin, we'll replace this pumpkin with 9 minus cat. And let us consider this as equation number 1. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have two black cats and one haunted pumpkin. And as I have told you that wherever we'll see the item pumpkin, we'll replace that with another equation, that is 9 minus cat. So replacing pumpkin with 9 minus cat and solving this equation. So 2 cat minus, in the bracket 9 minus cat is equal to 12. Now we have to open the bracket. On opening the bracket, if there is minus sign in front of the bracket, the signs present inside the bracket will become opposite of that. Like plus 9 will become minus 9 and minus cat will become plus cat. So 2 cats minus 9 plus cat is equal to 12. So 3 into cat is equal to 12 plus 9. So cat's value comes out to be 21 by 3, that is equal to 7. Now we know value of cat, we know value of ghost. If we'll put this value of cat in this equation, we will able to find out value of pumpkin. So solving our first equation. In the first equation, haunted pumpkin is equal to 9 minus cat. So we know value of cat, that is equal to 7. Putting that here in this equation and solving it to get the value of pumpkin. So pumpkin values comes out to be 2. Now jumping on to our final equation. In the final equation, we have one cat, two haunted pumpkins into one ghost minus one haunted pumpkin. So we know value of each and every item present here in this last equation, putting them here and solving this equation to get our final answer. So cat is equal to 7 plus pumpkin values is equal to 2, and there are two pumpkins, so it will be 2 plus 2 into ghost value is equal to 5. It is one ghost only, so into 5 minus one pumpkin, that is equal to 2. Now we have written all the items value in the equation. We have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS, firstly we have to solve the bracket, followed by division, then multiplication, addition, and in the end subtraction. So let us first open the brackets. Opening the bracket, we have to solve the equation present inside this bracket. So it will be 7 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 into 5 minus 2. Now we have to do the multiplication. So it will be 7 plus 20 minus 2. Now we have to add both the items. 20 plus 7 comes out to be 27 minus 2, that is equal to 25, and we have solved the puzzle.
Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to your favorite channel for latest puzzles and solutions. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. That is Puzzle Solver Video. Thank you again. Bye bye.